Now I'm going to show you the half Windsor. There's one additional step to the four-in-hand, but it's going to give you a more symmetrical knot. You start the same way with the wide end in your right hand, cross in front of the narrow end. Bring it back around and take the wide end down through the loop created around your neck. Now bring the wide end, cross the front again, and bring it up through the loop. Then bring it straight down through the knot. Now it's important to remember you want to have a nice dimple below the knot. And the best way to do that is with the dimple clip. And the way it works, just fold the dimple into the fabric and place the dimple clip over the tie. Now you can see it holds that perfect dimple. Then slide the dimple clip up inside the knot where it's going to stay concealed to hold that perfect dimple all day. Fold the collar down, and that's the half Windsor.